Hey fam, so listen, I do have a sneak peek hack on how to use Instagram because I feel like nobody knows how to use all of these apps. So let's do it. Yeah! Hey, welcome to Instagram. Did you know that you can reply to a comment with a video? And before you scroll, if you don't want to learn how to use it, that's on you. Let's do it. So once you get on your Instagram and you have notifications that people left you comments, go to that comment section, whichever comment that you feel like you want to actually comment back to with the video. You have to click all the way on it to the point where you see your video pop up. Right there is how you start the video reply with a comment. It'll pull up. You go ahead, hit the button to record. The comment will disappear while you're recording. But the moment that you stop recording, it pops back up. You can tap on it. It changes it different colors. You can move it around on the screen. There's so much that you can do. If you hit the edit button down at the bottom, you can dictate how long it stays up on the screen also. But this is simple how you do it. You hit next and post like you normally would, and it'll show up on your feed as a reel. You're welcome. And again, welcome to Instagram.